Wait. Okay, so there's a woman down there with a little palm. I know she lives right over here, and I have a feeling she's gonna walk right towards us. But I know the dog's not reactive, and I also know that she doesn't do anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start marking and paying once he sees him, but I'm gonna cross the street. Cross. Oh, look at that great head turn. Right, he'll probably catch him over here. He's hot on this scent over here, so you may not notice him for a sec, but now I could go down here, right, and avoid, but I'm watching him. See, I can do this because her dog's not reactive and she doesn't do anything to her dog when her dog notices us. So this is why I can cross paths, because she won't hurt her dog. Yes. And I know that Ralphie will be okay. He won't get too excited because he really wants the scent on this side of the street. So that'll trump it. Right? Yes. Nice, right off the marker. Yes. We'll wait. Yes. Getting that direct eye contact. Yes. Dog went for the scent. Right, he's going for his scent. We got the car cover. Yes. Pay for the look back. Wait. Wait. Cross. Over here and smell where this dog just went. Now, the reason why I could do that is because, again, I knew the woman's dog wasn't reactive, and I knew that she wouldn't do anything to cause her dog any fear or pain. So, I always tell people, if you know, because you've seen it happen, and you come across those people again, do everybody a favor, including the other dog, and go the other way. Dog life.